everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and welcome back to our Fold of the Week Holiday Spectacular. I'm dedicating the entire month of October to bringing you creative ideas to wow everyone with your holiday greetings. And this week I'm focused on dimensionality. So I've got two great ideas from our friends at Red Paper Plain. This first one is called the Extendo Pop-Up, and it's got this little thumb pull right here. And when you pull, out pops a dimensional box. So this is so neat. You can put something fun that people would want to keep on their desk. I love this little scene. You can actually buy this layout online at Red Paper Plain, or you can download the template and put your own design in there and upload it, and they print it for you. So turnaround time's about 10 days. And I love how you can also just put it right back together. So people will likely want to put it back in and do it again. So really, really fun. I love that. And then this other one is just charming. This is their pop-up house format. And by the way, both of these ship flat, no problem. Comes right out of an envelope and pops into, in this case, a little gingerbread house. How cute is that? So it's just very neat how it is flexible and it just flattens out and then it pops into, into a little house that sits right on your desk. So I love this. Both of these are printed 4-color. They have a UV coating. These are die and score and hand assembled, and they quality check every single one. Turnaround time's about 10 days for these. So very fun, dimensional, send something that is memorable with dimensional mail. So that is your holiday idea for this week. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds if I use them. I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, dot lines, print. And remember, think finish at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.